Hello, my name's Paul White. I'm a senior consultant with Baines Simmons, jointly responsible for the continuing airworthiness portfolio. I specialise in the civilian CAMO sector. The role of the CAMO is to manage the continuing airworthiness activities, being responsible for the airworthy condition of the operator's aircraft. Another key element is to manage or coordinate or schedule the maintenance activities to ensure that the maintenance can be properly carried out. To be a CAMO, firstly, the organisation has to be approved. To do this, the organisation has to set itself up to succeed with the appropriate competencies, access to information, and to be able to demonstrate how it's going to achieve airworthiness to the regulator. The activities that it manages range from developing a maintenance programme, managing reliability, looking after the defects, looking after the configuration of the aircraft, understanding which ADs are applicable, which ADs have been complied with, deciding which bulletins are going to be fulfilled, and ultimately managing all the records so that at all times the condition of the aircraft is known to the CAMO. I believe the key deliverable of a CAMO is safety. Of course, we all want to arrive at our destinations safely. The safety of the aircraft is built into the design in various different ways by the various design organisations. It's up to the CAMO to fulfil these requirements through the operating life and notify the designers of any discrepancies between what was intended and what is actually happening to those aircraft. If I was to sum up the main deliverable of a CAMO in a single sentence, I'll say that it's the CAMO that delivers the requirements of the design. There are many benefits of having a good CAMO, the most obvious one being that the aircraft are airworthy. Airworthy in our world means that they're compliant and safe. We would achieve that through having an efficient operation by managing an effective maintenance programme, making sure that the right maintenance is done at the right time, with the right people, in the right way. This will lead to a reduction in defects, having minimal defects on our fleets, which is ultimately going to reduce the unexpected events such as delays, AOGs, and any diversions you might occur. Ultimately, it leads to an improvement in customer satisfaction through having a more efficient operation. There are many challenges faced by CAMOs today. I'd argue the one that is most relevant is competencies. We've seen a huge transition of staff over the last few years, and making sure the CAMO has the relevant skills, knowledge, and attitude of its staff is imperative. Obviously, through training and building up experience, we can develop those three core competencies. Another one would be the oversight of the maintenance providers. A typical CAMO, typical operator is going to have multiple maintenance providers situated all around the globe. Making sure that we manage those contracts, have the oversight, and have the liaison between the CAMO and the maintenance providers is a big challenge. Other areas that might threaten the safety of the aircraft are the areas which are not directly in the control of the CAMO, but are going to affect the safe operations of the aircraft. So having the safety system open to reporting from all the different organisations that feed into the CAMO is hugely important. If we can keep good records of reports, records of maintenance, airworthy records, then we're going to have a much better chance of having that safe outcome. Ultimately, all this needs to come together through really good sound communication between all the different stakeholders in the operation. Here at Baines Simmons, we're fortunate that we have such a wide range of experience from our pool of consultants. We come from different sectors of the industry, defence, civilian, and many of us have worked in different locations all around the world. During our day-to-day engagements, we're seeing a huge cross-section of the industry. That enables us to learn best practice and help you to learn through transferring that knowledge to you through our wide range of training courses and our consulting engagements.